everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so we're finally out of winter, thank goodness, and we're in spring and summer's right around the corner, and now would be the perfect time for me to start adding some lifestyle fitness onto my channel. And it's something I really wanted to do last year, but to be honest with you guys, I was not feeling very encouraged. I was not feeling comfortable with my body and just overall not very motivated, and that's why I didn't get around to it. But I figure this year I'm really going to focus on it. And I know I talk about this woman all the time. Her name is Fumi Desaluvoy. She has a beauty channel here on YouTube, and I follow her on Instagram, and recently she just had a baby boy, and she usually shows herself going to the gym because she really wants to get back into shape, and she really focuses on her health. And I look at her videos and I'm like, oh my God, April, you need to get your butt back into shape and get to the gym, or just, you know, get healthy. And so she really motivated me, and that's why I'm really going to focus on this year, really adding some, you know, some fitness onto my channel, because I know there's got to be somebody out there that needs that little extra push, needs that little extra motivation to get healthy. And to be honest with you guys, we really need to think about our health. Health is our wealth, and if we don't have great health, we really have nothing. So one of the things that I really struggle with, you guys, is consistency. I mean, I can work out for 2 weeks straight, take a week off, and then try to get back into it. It would be impossible, and then everything falls apart. So that's why I'm so happy about these videos, because not only will I be able to maybe hopefully encourage some of you out there, but it's going to keep me accountable, motivated, and also consistent. So I'm really happy about that. So throughout this workout journey, I'm going to be focusing on different areas of the body, and this first video is going to target the arms, specifically that little jiggly thing right there, the tricep. Yep, we got to get her all firmed up, because you know it gets hot up here. It gets really hot up here. I want to be able to put on a cute little sundress or tank top and just feel very confident in what I'm wearing. So that's what we're going to do today. And I just want to make it very clear, I am not a health guru or a fitness guru or anything like that. I'm just a normal person that has gone up and down in her weight and just looking for a way to achieve quality of life and overall good health. And hopefully, again, I can motivate some of you, but also to keep me accountable as well. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscriber button if you haven't already. Don't forget about the notification bell, and please like and share this video. It will help out my channel a whole lot. So enough talking, let's get to working out. To get my arms warmed up, I'm just going to bend them at the elbows and do as many circles going forward for 1 minute, and I'm going to do the same thing going backwards. I'm going to give myself a little stretch. You really do feel the burn, you guys, especially in the shoulder area, and I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing, except the circles are going to be a lot more bigger, forward and backwards for 1 minute. Now I'm ready to do some back arm extensions, and this is really going to target the tricep area, and I'm going to do 5 sets of 12. And again, I'm taking those same 3-pound weights. And by the way, I don't use a whole lot of heavy weight, but you should use whatever you feel comfortable with. But yeah, I'm just going to take these weights and do some pulses, and I'm going to go ahead and do 5 sets of 12 of these as well. Now I'm ready to grab my 8-pound weights, and I'm going to do an arm extension that extends behind the head, and this is also going to target the tricep area, and I'm going to go ahead and do another 5 sets of 12. I'm going to grab my 3-pound weights again, and now I'm ready to do some side arm extensions. I'm not quite sure what the exact name of this is, but I think you guys can get a great idea of what I'm doing. And again, I'm going to do around 5 sets of 12 with this exercise as well. I'm going to take those same 3-pound weights and I'm going to do some over the head extensions. And you guys keep in mind, take a break, breathe, drink some water, because you're going to really start to feel the burn, trust me. And I'm going to go ahead and do 5 sets of 12 of these as well. Now I'm going to grab my 8-pound weights again, and I'm ready to do some bicep curls. And I like to go a little bit more extra on this, so I'm going to go ahead and do 6 sets of 12, but definitely go at your own pace. And I'm going to take those 8-pounders and I'm going to turn to the side and do some arm lifts. Again, I don't know the names of these exercises, but again, I think you get the point of what I'm doing. And I'm going to go ahead and do 5 sets of 12 with these as well. And while I was out there, I decided to do some chest press. It may not directly target the arms, but I figure why not. So I went ahead and did 5 sets of 12 of these as well. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope some of you got motivated, ready to get up and get out and get healthy and get ready for this summer. But I will be back soon with more videos targeting different areas of the body. But until then, like this video, share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Until then, I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.